Welcome to Yoga with Natalie Marie. Today we're going to be doing a quick yoga stretch. So, once you've got on your mat, let's begin. Today we're going to begin on our back. Woo! So, once you lay all the way down, hug your knees into your chest. And just begin to rock side to side, massaging the lower back. Today is all about stretching the body. You can do this in the morning, like right after you wake up, or in the afternoon if you've been sitting around and just want to do a quick movement, or in the evening just to help yourself wind down a bit. Maybe you start to circle the knees one way and then the other. Just do whatever feels good here. And then allow those feet to plant on the ground. Hug the right knee into the chest and extend the left leg. You can move the hip back and forth here. And then extend that right leg. Hug the left knee into the chest. Do the same thing, either staying still or moving the hip back and forth. And then bring both knees into the chest, roll onto one side, and use your hands to come up into tabletop. So make sure that your shoulders are directly over your wrists and that your knees are underneath your hip points. Drop the belly, look up, inhale. Exhale, tuck the chin into the chest. Feel the belly button curl into the spine. And inhale, lift the belly. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. Let's do that 4 more times at your own pace. Really feeling a great extension in the spine. Definitely getting mobility in the back here. I lost count. So after your 4th one, come back into tabletop. Extend the right arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, thread the arm underneath the left, coming in to thread the needle. You can keep your left fingertips beside you, or you can take a bind. Look up to the sky. Feel a great opening in the shoulder and in the chest. On your next inhale, bring yourself back up into tabletop. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So lift that left arm to the sky, inhale. Exhale, thread the left arm underneath the right. Whew, thread the needle pose. Feel a great opening in both of the shoulders and the chest. Bring your arm wherever it feels the best. And then come back up into tabletop. Roll onto your belly. Just take a second here and breathe. And then extend the left arm to the side and roll over onto your left hip. You can keep your right fingertips beside you, or you can place them on the hip. Just feel the opening in that left shoulder. Relax any tension from your jaw. Enjoy the stretch. And roll yourself back into center. Extend that right arm. And then come onto that right hip. You can place your hand right in front of your chest or your hip. Breathe. Enjoy. Live. And come back into your belly. Place your hands beside your chest and lift up into baby cobra or high cobra. Look over one shoulder and then the other. And then curl those toes under and push yourself up into downward facing dog. You can pedal it out here. Just get those legs moving, feel the blood rush to the head. And then plant your knees on the ground, swing them around, and come back onto your back. If you're gonna go to bed right after this, just come into Shavasana and stay there. But if it's morning or the afternoon, lay on your forearms, lift one foot and then the other, and then begin to hit the feet on the ground. Of course, if you live in an apartment complex, just keep this soft and quiet. But if you have no one around, you can go as loud and as fast as you would like. Just feel the energy moving through you. Smile, laugh at yourself. Do this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel that flush of energy? And then wherever you are, come into a cross-legged seat. Sit up nice and tall. Roll the neck one way. And then the other. Then come to stillness. Bring your hands to your heart and bow your head down. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this yoga stretch was wonderful for you. Wonderful for you. And I can't wait to see you on the mat next time. Namaste.